Hello, my name is Josna Sarode. I am pursuing my MBA from SAS Institute of Management and Studies. Today my topic is the types of e-commerce from subject e-commerce. Types of e-commerce. What is e-commerce? Commonly known as electronic marketing, it consists of buying and selling goods and services over an electronic system such as the internet and other computer network using uh, is E-commerce is the purchasing, selling, and exchanging goods and services over computer network through which transaction or terms of sales are performed electronically. Traditional business format, direct selling, company to customers. Different types of e-commerce. First, B2B means business to business, B2C means business to consumer, B2G means business to government, C2C means consumer to consumer, M commerce means mobile commerce. Okay, first type of e-commerce is what is B2B in e-commerce. B2B means business to business. In a B2B, business to business sales its product and or service to another business. Sometimes the buyer is the end user, but often the buyers resells to the consumer. B2B transaction generally have a longer sales cycle but higher order value and more recurring purchases. For example, Amazon business, it's all are known this business. Amazon has recently launched their dedicated portal amazonbusiness.in for small business owners and traders in India. One platform is created in one place. Amazon is currently targeting small offices, entrepreneur, department stores, kirana store, drug stores, clinics, hospital, hotels, and restaurant. B2B in e-commerce. Business organization supplies to wholesaler sells to customer. Wholesaler also order in website. What is a B2C in e-commerce? B2C business to consumer. B2C business sells to their end users. The decision making process for a B2C purchase is much shorter than a business to business. B2B purchase, especially for items that have a lower value. B2C doesn't only include product but service as well. Means B2C means B2C is provided to service as well. Only product not sale. Service also provide this. B2C innovators have leverage technology like mobile apps, native advertising, and remarketing to market directly to their customers and make their lives easier in the process. For example, Netflix and internet entertainment subscription service, it charges a fee so consumer can access their content. The site may also offer free but limited content while charging for most of it. Okay, Netflix is using all our content covering something charges. B2C in e-commerce. Business organization supplies to customer and also websites. Customer also order in website. Website also using. Third one is C2C. C2C means consumer to consumer. A C2C business is also called an online marketplace. Connects consumers to exchange goods and services and typically make their money by charging transaction or listing fees. For example, eBay. Ram buying an iPod from Sham on eBay means one consumer provided to other consumer of the product. C2C in e-commerce. Website also using customer 1 want to sell product and also customer 2 want to buy product. Both customers are using website. One customer is a sell product using this website and one customer is using this website buy product. Means C2C. What is a B2G in e-commerce? B2G stands for a business to government. B2G stands for a business to government, implying the relationship between a business to government agencies and government institutions. B2G is defined as a sales model when companies sell products, service and information to governments or government agencies, for example GST. Business pay taxes, file report or sell goods and service to government agency. All our taxes are covered in GST and this is provided government. Business to government means government is provided to business. Okay. B2G in e-commerce, business organization, website, government. What is m-commerce? M-commerce is stands for mobile commerce. M-commerce is the buying and selling of goods and services through wireless handheld devices such as smartphones and tablets. Each and everyone using mobile and tablets. It's common as a form of e-commerce. M-commerce enables users to access online shopping platforms without needing to use a desktop computer. Examples of m-commerce include in-app purchasing, mobile banking. Mobile and tablets are easily using mobile banking, some transactions. It's called m-commerce. Thank you.